Third day of protests in Huntsville over proposed cuts to federal programs and jobs. Protesters are also calling for Congressman Dale Strong to make himself more accessible to the public. News 19's chief investigative reporter Brian Lawson joining us now. So Brian, Congressman Strong and other House Republicans have said these protests and calls for town hall meetings are the work of paid liberal agitators. This is nothing new to politics and campaigns and things like this, Brian, but a lot of people don't realize how many federal employees we have in this area in Strong's district.
Yeah, it's a huge number. I spoke to several people today, most from Huntsville, one Madison resident. Most of those I spoke to have lived in the area for decades. Many were retired federal employees or had a spouse who served in the military here. They didn't identify as Trump voters or say they voted for Dale Strong, so there's that. But they expressed concern that the Trump administration was intent on cutting jobs and programs, including NASA, and they say they have not heard Congressman Strong push back against those plans or communicate to the powers that be that people here are being directly impacted by the administration's actions. Now, I asked why Congressman Strong or Republican voters should care about what they had to say. The replies were simple. They say they are long-term residents, they've raised families here, contributed to the community, they pay their taxes, and he's their congressman. Some talked about the oaths they'd sworn to defend and obey the Constitution, and they say America is a government by the people and for the people, not a kingdom. Margie Zolad said she's reached out to Strong's office several times with no response so far.
What got me out here today is I have 5 children. They all live here. I have 6 grandbabies that all live here. One of them is not born yet. I'm terrified about what's happening to our country. And I don't know too many people who really are in a position to do something about it, and he's one of them.
Now, more than one person expressed concern about possible cuts to Medicaid and SNAP benefits, basically health care and food programs for low-income people. They also expressed concerns that cuts by DOGE are destructive rather than based on audits aimed at saving money. Now, looking at the protests, there will be a town hall that was organized Saturday, and U.S. Rep. Dale Strong, our congressman, is invited, they say. Protesters said they've been told about telephone town halls, but not been called. Strong said at an event yesterday morning at Redstone Gateway, "I do everything I can to be visible in the district." Now, News 19 has reached out to Congressman Strong's office again today, as we did Monday, for comment on the protests or if he had plans to hold a public meeting. We have not yet received any response. Tamika?